The Beast is here.
Time for a beatdown, cowboy style.
The following contest is a tornado tag handicap match. Introducing first, from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, Brock Lesnar.
Brock Lesnar's been a dominant force his entire career.
Brock Lesnar has made a career out of steamrolling whoever has dared get in his way.
Brock Lesnar's won multiple WWE and Universal title reigns, King of the Ring, the Royal Rumble, and Money in the Bank.
And perhaps the most dominant competitor in WWE history. Lesnar's crushed countless champions and legends throughout his storied WWE career.
I got a real strong feeling we're going to see more of that dominance courtesy of the Beast incarnate. Time to party with the Prophets.
And their opponent, at a combined weight of 492 pounds, Angelo Dawkins and Montez Ford, the Street Profits.
Guys, raise your cup for the Street Profits.
We only have bottled water, you idiot.
Oh, look at me. I've got a cup. Check it out.
What is in that cup? It stinks.
It's homemade kombucha, Corey. Hey, you want some?
No, you're lost.
You know, guys, I have an idea. How about we all join the Street Profits? Corey got their own little dance inside the car, man. It'll be lit.
That's a great idea, Saxon. Afterward, we can all go play in traffic.
Making yourself an easy target of this handicap match with Brock Lesnar. And you have to wonder about their strategy facing off with Angelo Dawkins and Montez Ford.
Such a dicey situation for an individual to be in. I wouldn't even know what advice to give.
Go. Live to fight another day and pray that fight isn't with this many other people again. Hoisted all the way up and down. That powerbomb was absolutely worthy of both halves of its name.
And a drop kick.
Picture perfect. Oh, man.
Heading up, he's thinking big.
From way up.
Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off.
Was trying to make a big splash with that, but there was no water in the pool.
Fisherman suplex. Comes back into the ring.
Ford messing with him, clearly trying to force an error. Suplex City, population U.
No clue what he hopes to find down there. And that was an effective attack, guys.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
If you're on the wrong end of a handicap match, you have to get crafty. The only way you'll beat the numbers game is by finding ways to divide your opponents and take them down one by one.
That might be easier said than done, Corey, but you're right. That taking out multiple opponents at once is a recipe for failure. Dawkins is really being knocked around here.
This is where Dawkins will be tested. Gotta find a way back in this.
Go behind.
German!
9!
He skirts away, living to fight another day. A bit of psychological warfare from Angelo Dawkins here. Shoulders down, this could be it. Raising the arm before one.
He's not even close to being done yet.
Montez might be wasting some time he doesn't have. Abdominal stretch. It's locked in.
This is a great way to wear it. How do you escape the abdominal stretch?
Like that.
Nice.
He's lost some of his wind now.
Go behind. Suplex City. Population U.
Flipping the script on him there.
And one more reversal. Talk about evenly matched here.
No telling what's underneath the ring tonight. And what a maneuver we just saw there.
No other way to say it. Montez Ford wants the smoke.
Dawkins' attack gets reversed. What a clothesline! Ouch! Paying it right back with a reversal.
Brock with the quick wherewithal. Bulldog! Trying to find his bearings, but it looks like his end is near.
Look out! Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
A totally ill-advised decision there.
Maybe slight hesitation there caused the outcome. DDT!
He gets back into the ring. Montez Ford getting ready. Tagging this outside.
This could be good. Lift off.
Oh, straight to the floor.
And that might have been too erratic of a decision to take such a high risk at this junction of the match.
Knee right to the gut. Oh, God.
Jarring impact. And he goes for the pin.
And there's the kick out.
Not getting to 2 at this point has got to say something.
And that was offense with a hurtful purpose.
Acrobatics like that take a tremendous amount of cardio and strength. Insulting.
Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems.
Take off.
Wow, Brock waylays it.
Ooh, sharp kick.
Knee right to the gut. Vicious knee.
Dominating shoulder tackle. Heading back to the ring.
Line. Vicious right forearm.
Uh-oh. Over to the back of the neck. What a leg.
And unchained physicality just got brought to Lesnar.
Still, this is about as good a position you can hope to be in this late in a handicap match.
Unbelievable standing Spanish fly.
Montez Ford. That was a hell of a maneuver there, guys.
That's gotta be it. I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole. His opponent.
And the cover for the win.
This is it.
Shoulder up before the count started.
Wow. Climbing up top, he's got big plans.
Looks like he has his finger on the trigger now. Flying.
Oh, no. Crashing hard onto the floor.
Taking a chance, and it didn't pay off at all.
Hope you boys put your running shoes on. It might be time to clear out.
And returning to the ring. Big boots.
Jeez. Vicious right forearm.
Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
Great reversal. Jumping DDT. Dawkins making the climb.
You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in.
From the top.
Blocked the effort and cut them off with a shot to the gut. Wow, that got turned around on Dawkins.
Oh, elbow
attention to you, Saxton. They're too busy beating the tar out of each other.
Oh, yeah, Dawkins feeling himself now.
Rock bottom!
And more attacks to his core could hinder his offense.
He has him right where he wants him.
Uh-oh! Oh, no! Brash decision-making there proved to be extremely detrimental.
Can you recover from such an error? You have to wonder.
This fight is going down right in front of our faces.
More up close and personal than I'd like to be. Look at the control on a suplex. And Dawkins is able to inflict more damage there.
Pivotal time now as the Beast is in real peril.
And this match will head back to the ring.
Taking a trip outside, but he's got to be mindful of the count.
Could be some collateral damage on the way here.
Everyone needs to clear out, including us.
Big boy.
This isn't the smartest thing to do.
Oh, no. Lesnar's about to end this.
Coming through.
That could put Dawkins down for good.
Taking this match off the mat now.
On the top.
Oh, just completely off target there.
A completely ill-advised decision, likely going to pay for it in the rest of this match.
He's heading back to the ring.
Oh, my God, a clothesline.
Ooh, neck breaker. Watch out.
Oh, no. Crashing hard onto the floor.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That could be very costly. I don't know if the risk was worth it.
Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. Out of the ring, what's his plan here? And back in the ring we go. To the outside.
This could get wild.
Knew what was coming there. And we just saw some serious offense. He leaped.
Michael Cole takes shelter. Here comes the storm.
Lesnar's got this closed up.
Caught in a bad position here.
Unloading their best shot once more. Uh-oh. Catching an elbow to the side of the face. Get to the suplex. You have to sense that fatigue is starting to become a factor at this point.
Make no illusions of it. This is coming down to a battle of attrition.
And he goes into the ring.
No other way to say it. Montez Ford wants the smoke.
And first blood has been drawn on the beast.
More attacks like that will leave you gasping for air.
Yeah, it looks like it already is.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
A defensive elbow to the gut ends that.
Knee right to the gut.
And that was a well-targeted attack.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
And that was an efficient form of offense with that move.
Saw that coming.
Just got clobbered. Unexpected result there.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. Back into the ring. Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here. Moves outside. What's the plan here?
Knee right to the gut.
You see him take yet another shot to the body.
Brought down.
There's the takedown.
A bit of psychological warfare from Angelo Dawkins here. Brock clearly has the advantage here, guys.
Brock's like a beast playing with its food.
you establish dominance?
Dawkins with the reversal.
Angelo weathered the storm and wants to create a flurry of his own.
Starting back to his feet, but he might not know where he is.
From way up.
He saw it coming, taking advantage. Brock Lesnar, what power!
Brock's got this in hand.
He heads outside. Countouts legal in this match. He's back into the ring.
Brace for impact. Here it comes. The Beast incarnate with it.
Nothing Montez can do now. On the apron.
Whoa, look out.
And Dawkins is really being knocked around here.
Yeah, Dawkins needs to find a way to right the ship here.
Gosh, what a match. Suplex.
Launched. Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here.
Suplex.
Gosh.
Knee right to the gut. Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. Oof.
Kick to the stomach puts an end to that.
All right, back to it, returning to the ring. A bit of psychological warfare from Angelo Dawkins here.
Suplex.
Launched. The Beast is taking charge.
It is scary how much Lesnar enjoys dishing out this punishment.
And he's taking this to the outside now. Taking this to the floor. And did you hear the impact of that? And he saw that coming from Montez. Oh, what a counter.
Dawkins is pushing back now.
Angelo weathered the storm and wants to create a flurry of his own.
Hits him with a gut-wrench suplex. What impact.
And I just think the constant attacks to the core have caught up to him.
The body has just been gradually falling apart to this point. He'll take things into the ring.
He's heading to the floor, but he can't take his time.
Ford messing with him, clearly trying to force an error. Oh, great display of strength with the suplex.
This one is headed outside, guys.
Oh, I think we're gonna see it. Lesnar. 5. Good night. Amazing.
Brock Lesnar, the Beast, unleashed. Brilliant.
Brock could be seconds away.
Oh, mounting and now just hammered away with the rights.
Elbows right to the forehead. Lesnar unleashed.
What are you waiting for? Get back in there.
You tell him, Saxton.
Climbs back inside. He's reaching under the ring for anything useful. And Ford's resolve might be wavering here.
Somehow Montez has to turn the tide.
Lesnar cuts him off.
Knee right to the gut.
Drop kick.
Beautiful.
Quite a verbose display from Montez Ford. And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside.
Knee finds the abdomen.
He's focused on breaking down his opponent's core right now, taking away the center of all movement. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. Back in the ring now.
Taking a trip outside, but he's got to be mindful of the count.
He's one step ahead there. Oh, and a reversal. Lesnar with a one-time shot.
Brock is in complete command here. Just another day in the office for the Beast incarnate. Lesnar unleashed.
Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. Continues the attack on the core.
It could prove to be an effective strategy. Boom!
Heads out of the ring. What's next?
Knee right to the gut.
And Dawkins is really being knocked around here.
Yeah, Dawkins needs to find a way to right the ship here.
Ooh, quick knee to the gut.
That holds back Ford's attack. Dawkins with the reversal. Into the ring again.
What's Brock in for here? What are you guys thinking? Obviously not about the ref's count, Cole.
He heads outside. Countouts legal in this match. A bit of psychological warfare from Angelo Dawkins here. He's taking this to the floor now.
Bang!
What energy in the arena tonight. He's certainly lining him up, but he's wasting too much time. Sleeper slam!
Knee right to the gut.
And this amount of damage looks like it's gotten overwhelming.
The body can only take so much before it fails on you.
The belly. Referee's count only getting higher.
Come on, gotta get back in the ring.
Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
Effectively using the knee.
And this is the vision. He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
He kicks out with force.
What? What are you saying? This is amazing.
What a match. Bang it back with their...
The Beast and Cole looking to end this. Lesnar with an F5.
Bang! That's got to end it this time around.
Uh-oh. Here it comes. Brock Lesnar.
F5! That's it, Brock. Michael Cole takes shelter. Here comes the storm. With an F5!
Good night.
What an exclamation mark right there.
Kidding me. The next big move might end this. The question is, has the stamina left to pull it out?
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Uh-oh.
Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
No, that was a harebrained idea to try that.
Was trying to find a way to attack, but completely wiped out.
Re-entering the ring now. Taking it outside the ring now. Gets him with the counter.
Knee right to the gut.
Ah, look at this. Just cranking it out. Ah, had that well scouted. Wow, what a strike to the back.
Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield.
What a right hand.
What a shot. You can see the effects of that on Ford's face now. Raw power.
Oh, look at the knees. Precision strikes.
Battling at ringside can be very unforgiving. You have to be careful out there.
No protection out here. No safe confines to speak of.
Big risk here. He may be counted out.
He might be oblivious to the count, guys.
The Beast incarnate is on the loose.
It is scary how much Lesnar enjoys dishing out this punishment.
Heavy body shots.
Whipped home. What a clothesline.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
He climbs into the ring. Okay, already we get it. Stop looking for adulation for the crowd and get back into the fight.
He's got to know he's in harm's way here. Here we go.
Oh, no! That is what happens when you throw your body around. You eventually meet the pavement.
And you have a feeling now that this match has just turned a chapter.
I mean, this is a very dangerous situation. It could just take one more hit up there for a knockout.
Big boot!
No other way to say it. Montez Ford wants the smoke.
And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside. And a well-executed move we just saw there. Flapjack! Way up there.
And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here.
Getting back into the ring. He's heading to the floor, but he can't take his time.
Down to and a double axe handle smash.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
And he barely evades. Suplex. Dawkins avoids that one.
Dawkins with a spear. Ford messing with him, clearly trying to force an error.
What do you say? I mean, this is amazing.
And Lesnar stalking. Brock Lesnar, what power. There's an F5 coming through.
Brock's got this in hand.
Oh, no. Lesnar's about to end this.
This one has to be over.
He returns to the ring. Referees count at 7. They need to get back into the ring. And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver.
Dawkins could be looking to end this.
Makes a cover. And a kick out.
Very few superstars possess the fortitude to do what we just witnessed.
Very few? How about almost none? This match just went to the next level.
I can see it in the action here. Disbelief. Unbelievable how this one is still going on.
Look at this, going right after the left arm.
Gotta hurt. Gar scraping over the eyes.
Oh dear, this doesn't look good.
Alley-oop. Oh, the stop. And an impactful display of offense we just witnessed there.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Oh, the knees caught him. Could be a turning point.
Oh, come on. That's a vile shot block.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking it out. Cranking the head. He heads outside. Countouts legal in this match. And he tosses him back in now.
Oh, yeah. Dawkins feeling himself now.
And that was from way up. Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off. Ford set for a ride. And that definitely made solid impact.
Slowly down with the back elbow.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this? There he goes, right into the corner.
10. And grab your little dog and warrior ant. Bang!
You can't take any more of that. This must be over.
Man, he's gotta feel good. Sweet, sweet victory.
Here is your winner, Brock Lesnar.
Putting the locker room on notice with a win like that.
No doubt about it. The better superstar definitely won tonight.